In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively align and distribute objects within your scene. This process is incredibly helpful when you want to create a clean, organized layout with precise positioning of objects. Whether you're designing a complex 3D arrangement or simply tidying up your workspace, these tools will make your job much easier and more efficient. Let's get started with the selection of your objects. First, you'll need to choose two or more objects within your scene. You can do this either directly in the viewport or by navigating through the scene panel. It's essential to make sure your selection accurately reflects the objects you want to align or distribute to prevent any unnecessary adjustments later. Once your objects are selected, move over to the Actions panel. If you prefer navigating through the menu, that works too. Here, you'll find the option labeled Align and Distribute. Selecting this will bring up a specialized widget around your chosen objects, which is your tool for alignment and distribution. Now, focusing on alignment, notice that there are teardrop-shaped handles present on the widget's axes, X, Y, and Z, corresponding to red, green, and blue respectively. These handles are indicative of the bounding box's sides or center for your selected objects. When you hover over any of these handles, a cyan plane appears, signaling where the objects would align if selected. Clicking will execute the alignment. For example, should you click the center handle on the x-axis, the centers of all selected objects will align on that central plane. Alternatively, clicking on the side handle aligns their outer edges, creating a neat and uniform setup. Moving on to distribution, the widget also features bar-style handles for each axis. By simply single-clicking a bar, you'll enable even spacing among the selected objects along that axis, ensuring a balanced appearance. If you wish for the objects to touch perfectly without any gaps, a double-click on this distribution bar will achieve just that, leaving no space between them. Additionally, there is the option to click and drag these teardrop handles, allowing you to manually set your preferred spacing. This flexibility means you can tailor object positioning to the exact specifications required by your project. When you're finished with alignment or distribution tasks, exiting this mode is simple. You can either click the Action button once more, press Enter or Escape on your keyboard, or just deselect all the objects. This will take you back to your standard workspace without any active tools cluttering your view. And there you have it. Mastering these actions will greatly enhance the precision and style of your work. Remember, the Align and Distribute function is a powerful ally in organizing and perfecting your scene layouts.